Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Monster Legends codes so you can claim free rewards in the game. First, open Monster Legends on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. From the main screen, look for the Settings icon or the Events section, depending on the current game layout. Many times, the Code Redemption option appears in the Promotions or Rewards area. Tap the Redeem Code option and a small box will appear asking you to enter the code. Now, carefully type or paste the Monster Legends code exactly as it is written, because codes are usually case-sensitive. Once the code is entered, tap Confirm or Redeem. If the code is valid, the game will immediately add the reward to your account, which could include gems, gold, food, or special items. After redeeming, check your inventory or mailbox to see the rewards you received. Subscribe the channel for more videos.